Why some women prefer short men. Do all women like tall men? If you are a short man, then I am pretty sure you read so many things that explained how women tend to favor taller men over shorter ones. However, things don't always work this way. Some women actually have no problems in dating a shorter man, while others might even have a preference for shorter men. If, for example, a man was dominant, confident, good-looking or ambitious, then a woman might ignore the height factor, given the fact that women look for many signs across multiple domains to determine the overall attractiveness of a man. But what I am going to talk about in this article is a different thing. I am going to talk about the psychology of women who actually find shorter men more attractive. Why some women prefer shorter men. It's a well-known fact that most women look for a male who can provide them with security and protection. This is one of the main reasons why some women prefer taller men. However, according to one theory, women who feel secure enough might not need to be with a taller man. In other words, if a woman feels confident or if she is emotionally strong, then she might not care about a man's height, for she might not feel that she needs protection. This simple example shows you how differently people think and how wrong it is to think badly of yourself because of your height. Some women say that they prefer short men or those who are as tall as them because they can have better sex. While this might seem to the woman like a real reason, most probably there is a psychological unconscious reason that this woman is not aware of that motivates her to be with such a man. Women, unlike men, look at the whole package and don't really focus on one physical aspect regarding looks. This is why many women might overlook the height thing if the whole package was good. Dominance and height. Some women hate the fact that men are usually dominant over them. Those women might go for shorter men in order to unconsciously feel safer around that man. Some women also might want to dominate men. Control freaks, for example, might want to be with a shorter man in order to feel that they can exert control over them. Of course, those aren't good reasons, and the short man must always understand the intentions of the woman he is with in order to make sure that he is in a healthy relationship. If the short man was also dominant and the woman still liked him, then this shows for sure that the woman likes him without having bad intentions, such as the one described in the previous example. In all cases, you need to understand that each human being is a totally different case, and that while there might seem like there are general preferences for everyone, still the unique psychology of each person determines his own preferences.